The role of high-res NMR, so the Avance NMR spectrometer series, is an essential role. It's our flagship product line, and it plays a crucial role for the product innovation process at all our customers. Many globally active corporations in the field of chemistry, but also polymer, but also pharmaceutical companies utilize this technology since decades, and we gained a position in the global market where we can easily say it's the most widely used NMR platform in the world, the Avance NMR spectrometer line. So if you look into the shrinking size of the housing of these cryogenically cooled magnets, so the cryostat, the thermal containment of these magnets, so the footprint went down. So now if you look into a 600 megahertz magnet compared to 10 or 15 years ago, you see just shrinking by volume. The boil-off rate reduction was key to bring down cost of ownership of this technology. But most importantly to mention is the shielding characteristics. So the strong magnetic fields went outside these shieldings in the past, but nowadays they are contained within the housing, so you are able to place these magnets closer to each other. The smaller the containment, and so the evaporation rate of the liquid gases, the lower the cost of ownership. We advanced also the electronics in the spectrometer console, but also our probe technology, enabling our customers to do more advanced and more sophisticated NMR experiments at lower fields already. So probe technology feeds into efficiency increase also for NMR. So reducing the experimental time, running more samples within 24 hours brought also down cost of ownership of these systems. We are now launching Advanced Chemical Profiling 2, which is our latest release for qNMR, so quantitative NMR. It's a workflow creation tool enabling the specialist, so the highly trained NMR expert, to create a fully automated workflow, which includes the pick-and-place robot. So it selects the sample, it acquires the data, it processes the data, interprets the data till a report is filed, and this filed report is then put to any destination folder the customer is specifying. So these created workflows for NMR, which are end-to-end automated, can be called as an NMR augmented workflow because the power of the inherently quantitative power of NMR is utilized in a higher throughput setting without having the need of an NMR expert sitting in front of it. As NMR is a fundamental element to our customers in the product innovation steps, and there are these experts being able to run the NMR spectrometers and gain the added value for the organization. But when it then comes to rollout of their new products, so the product innovation step comes to an end, it goes into pilot scaling, it goes into volume manufacturing, there is always the need of derivatization of analytical methodology. We see a trend that it stays within magnetic resonance. They use benchtop systems for both Fourier transform NMR, but also for time domain NMR. So they stay close to the original R&D methodology, allowing the NMR expert at R&D to better define the derivative method. The cross-validation is also easier, you stay in the same technology. So the idea of using a derivative, a benchtop derivative of NMR for rolling out new products into manufacturing is a time effect. So there's a positive reduction of time to money for our customers. Faster at the market, the payoff phase starts, and this brings benefits to their operations. So NMR plays an essential role in the product innovation process at R&D in various market segments. Look into electronics, the entire battery market, display research and creation. There's a lot of chemical stuff happening. It's performance materials which needs to perform on their specific characteristics. There's a highly interactive play of different chemicals, devices. And basically, once it's broken down, it's chemistry happening also in sensors. So it's materials interacting. So at these R&D facilities, there's a lot of analytical chemistry as we know it. And NMR plays a crucial role in all these processes.